In this video, I will show you how to make any PDF fillable by using a free online website. So here you can see this is one of the PDF which I want to make it fillable. You will need to open any browser and then you will need to search PDF escape. Okay, so you will see this first website. So you will simply need to click on it. So when you open this website, you will see this interface. So you can just see it. So you will simply need to click here free online. Okay, so simply click on it. You don't need any login. So you can simply just click on it and you can just upload your file. So here you can see they are saying if you want to create a new document from start, so you can also create any document from start, but I have already one document, so I simply want to make it fillable. Okay, so I will simply click here upload PDF to PDF escape. Okay, so simply click on it and then you will need to simply click choose a file. Okay, file in my computer, so I simply want to open it. Okay, so guys, now you can see this is the PDF which I want to make it fillable. So I will click here on this icon. Okay, now here you can see it's saying form field. Okay, so click on it and then here you can see it's saying text. Okay, so if you want to create a checkbox, you will need to select this one, but I want to make a text box. Okay, so I will select this one. Okay, and here I will click select. Now here you will need, guys, put this button. Okay, so I want to make this icon fillable, so simply click here, and I also want to make this date of birth fillable too. Okay, and here I also want to make this fillable. Okay, and also this one, so we will change this. Okay, so we will make some bigger and some smaller, so you can do all of them. And also I want to make this one too fillable. Okay, and this one too. Okay, so you can do all of them. I'm just giving a demo so you can just play with it. So then you will need to click here on this icon. Okay, why I'm clicking here? Because I want to do some formatting here, so I want to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so simply click on it and make this sit bigger. Okay, and then you will need to click on this one too. Okay, so I want to make it smaller. Okay, and now I want to also do some formatting here, so simply click on it and make this a little bit smaller. Okay, and here you can see this is the address bar. Okay, so I will simply click on it and make it larger. Okay, until here, and you can also see the emergency contact. Okay, so simply click on it and then make this bigger. So in this way you can make any PDF fillable. So now I want to show you how to do a checkbox too. Okay, so here you can see this is a checkbox. So for that you will need to simply again click here on this button. Okay, and then simply you will need to click on form field. Here you will need to click on this one, and then here you will need to select checkbox. Okay, and then you will need to click on select. Now here simply click on this one. Okay, and also click here. It's very simple job. Okay, so simply click on this one too and simply click on it and click on it. Okay, and then if you want to make this box a little bit bigger or smaller, so simply click on this icon. Okay, and from here you can just make this box bigger if you want to make it smaller, so you can make it smaller or bigger. Is up to you. So simply click on this icon. Okay, so it will be the default, and then you can simply click here. You can see it's saying download. Okay, so click on it, so the file will be automatically download, so you can open it directly. Okay, now you can see this form is fillable, guys. Okay, so now I can type my name, I can type my date of birth, I can type my number, everything I can type. If I just come here and if I just click on this button, you can see it's working. Okay, so this is not fillable, so I have make this PDF fillable. Okay, so now I can type any information on this PDF. Okay, by using this simple tool. Okay guys, so this was the method by creating any PDF fillable. So I hope you understand. If you have any kind of question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you. See you later. Bye.